All right, was going to shoot a quick video of this so we know what part we're renovating. This is for Jessica first, but this is the entryway out of the door downstairs. So there's a little space that goes into the pool over there. So yeah, this little room, we could do something like we have a little bench here, but maybe make a larger bench or some place to like people to put clothes. That's just storage. This little area goes out and into the pool. And then, so we thought maybe like right here, this cleaning supplies are, maybe you put a little table or something that has like a welcome thing for the renters, like, I don't know, eucalyptus oil for the pool and the towels and bottle of water and stuff. So then down this way, this is the little hallway that goes into the bathroom. So this is the shower currently. It's right as you walk in. There's the sink and the toilet. So you can kind of see they're just right next to each other. Doop, doop, doop. We were thinking of tearing this out, putting in more of like one that has like storage kind of open. And then maybe we could have something beside it. There's enough room, you know, for more towels and things for the pool and whatnot. So that's what that looks like. This is what the bedroom downstairs looks like. It's pretty good sized. So just kind of a plain square room, just almost perfectly square. There you go. Closet over there. Again, those are sliders, glass sliding doors, closets. And then here's the kitchenette area right here. So, we're thinking of cutting this out and then putting in a stackable washer and dryer closet right here. And then everything else is available to be used for the kitchenette. So basically I want to be able to have the washer dryer there. We'll keep a sink down here, and then we don't need any sort of dish washing or anything like that, but we'd like to be able to put a mini fridge. So I thought we could put another countertop over here maybe. We'll have this, stackable washer dryer, and then a small countertop here with a mini fridge and just a countertop for whatever. And then we'll maybe put a toaster oven or something like that, and a microwave, wherever. So that's kind of basically it. Sink, microwave, little fridge and whatnot, but no stove, maybe a toaster oven or something. So that's kind of what we're trying to renovate, and kind of hoping to go kind of a semi spa-y feel. So we're going to lighten up these walls, put lighter trim and maybe go with something less tan, because right now it's tan floors, tan trim, tan walls. So go with something a little bit more modern, and fresh, like light and whatever. So there you go. And there, like I said, this goes out into the pool room. You can kind of see it out in there. There you go. And then this will remain accessible to renters as well. It goes upstairs, and there's a little area up there where we can put like a little table or sitting room upstairs, for just looking out the window and whatnot. That is it. So ideas on schemes for colors, schemes for designs for the bathroom sink area that will have some storage, but maybe not as large as what's in there right now. We'll probably keep the shower where it is for now. It's not my favorite, but the position it is, but it is what it is. And then a design for a kitchenette to make it look much more modern and nice. And then kind of the amenities that need to be in a modern kitchenette, so that we can rent this whole little downstairs space with the bedroom for like couples. So there you go. Bye-bye.